Alright, what's up you guys? My name is Jovani, this is Danny, this is Chris. Today we are working on Chris's R32. We're actually wide bodying it. Yeah, hopefully everything turns out great. Chris, you want to say anything about the car?
I was nervous at first, still not gonna lie. I mean, I look forward to it being finished, honestly.
Yeah, we're real nervous. This is the first actual JDM car I've ever worked on, so you know, we've done Danny's Miata, we've done a couple Subarus with Pat, but this is a whole nother beast. So hopefully everything turns out great. This is a legit Rocket Bunny kit, so fitment should be right. Yeah, I don't see any problems coming along, but hopefully everything comes out.
Now the cut.
Yeah. So far we got this is the, I guess, driver's side fender because it's JDM, but we have it just clecoed on right now. We have our tape marks, everything's kind of lined up so far. But you can see, I mean, there's gonna be a lot of cutting going on to make this guy fit. But so far our fitment looks pretty good. Up front, the back, we gotta work on a little bit. Everything's clecoed on right now. We haven't made any major holes yet, so we can always turn back if we need to. Alright, so this is after we did our cuts. You can see we just folded the fenders in over themselves. So far we have a pretty nice arch. There's a couple pieces here we have to trim just because they're not folding back the way we want them to. But we're gonna test fit the panel on now and see how much more we need to go back. But this line is looking pretty good so far. So this is our fitment so far. It's like 80% on there. The only issue we ran into is possibly this kit was for a GTR maybe, and there's like a little gap right here, but that's about it. Everything else seems to fit up perfect. Our body lines are looking good. This line right here by the headlight looks good. So we got it clecoed on right now, and then we're gonna put the rivet bolts in just a few. can tell how wide this kit actually is. Can't even see the tire anymore. So wheels are probably gonna have to come out another, what do we say, 5 inches?
More or less.
More or less. But yeah, it looks really good. Danny had the idea to get this door trim?
Door edge guard.
Door edge guard. And so we finished it off with that. It looks really good. Not completely waterproof, but it looks good. And then down here, we still have a little bit of trim work to do. Gotta tuck those guys in a little bit, but we got pretty lucky and only took about 1 or 2 tries to get the gap right. What do you think?
Freaking love it, man.
It looks really good. I was nervous at first, but it came out really good.
I think we're all nervous.
Yeah.
And the trial was great.
Yeah. It's really hard cutting into a JDM classic like this, but it looks really good.
Worth it in the end.
Yeah. And it wasn't a pristine car, so it's not like we're chopping up like number 1 that rolled off the assembly line or anything. But yeah, it looks super good. So we got
Day 1.
Yeah, day 1. We're probably gonna call it for the night, and then we got the passenger side, and then we have the rears, and we still have to do the side skirts, so a lot of work left, but so far it looks really good. All right, so it's like 6 in the morning, just getting ready to work, but I didn't make an outro for the video. Basically, we got finished up around 10 o'clock last night. We mostly finished this driver's side fender. It's kind of crazy waking up and realizing that there's a R32 in my garage, and that someone's crazy enough to have trusted me to work on it. Yeah, it's kind of humbling, honestly. But anyways, be expecting another video really soon, if not tomorrow. And as always, you can hit up Instagram, Facebook, or my website. And as always, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you again in the next one.